Hey designers. So before we can get started with Revit, we got to go over the minimum computer requirements you're going to need. So here in the module for the first exercise, you'll see right here a link that says minimum system requirements. Click on that and you can use this to check to see if your computer has enough stats in order to run properly. So kind of what they do here is they kind of divide it up into three categories. There's the minimum entry level configuration, which is what you'll need to just get by using Revit. That's probably good enough for this class because we're not running we're not trying to design skyscrapers. You're just going to get your feet wet. So you're probably okay, but ideally you would like this one that's balanced performance. If you can hit those requirements, you'll probably be a happier person because it'll run better. And then you can see their performance specs for if you have large complex models. All right, so take a look at those and make sure you meet those minimum requirements. Something I should mention is Revit only works on a Windows machine, or it only runs on Windows. So if you have a Windows machine, great, you should be good. If you're a Mac user, then you're going to have to run Parallels or Boot Camp, and you're going to have your own license of Windows before you can ever even install Revit. I will also say that in the past, students that try to use their Mac computer tend to have more technical issues that I'm not able to solve because it has nothing to do with Revit. It's just computer issues between Parallels and Windows and the iOS on their Mac computer. So I will say if you have a Windows machine available to you, I would go towards that. If not, then you can do it on a Mac. It'll just take a little bit more effort. All right, then the other thing you'll need as far as equipment is an optical mouse, which you've seen these all before. Basically just a normal mouse. What you really want is a scroll wheel, because if you can't push down on it to pan and scroll in and out to zoom in and out, you're going to find navigating a lot more complicated in Revit. So you'll definitely want an optical mouse with a scroll wheel that you can push down and scroll forward and backwards. All right, so that's it for minimum requirements. If you have any questions or concerns about that, you can contact me, but it's pretty straightforward. The better your computer, the better experience you're going to have during this class.